Huawei GT 5 Pro. Offers a variety of strengths, features, but also has some drawbacks to consider. Advanced health, fitness tracking. It includes over 100 workout modes. Heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking. Huawei TrueZen system for enhanced accuracy. Water resistance with a 5 ATM IP69K rating. It's suitable. For swimming. Water. Sports up to 40 meters. Sunflower positioning system provides improved GPS tracking accuracy, especially. Useful in challenging environments. Long battery life. It boasts up to 14 days of battery life.
Mm.
46 millimeters available. Black fluorescent strap and titanium strap. 0.42 millimeters available. White fluorescent strap and white ceramic white.
Mm. Mm.
Download Huawei Health to Do. Binding your watch. It supports iOS, Android, and Huawei smartphone. A lot of free. Watch wallpaper you. Can choose.
Mm.
Roll your shoulders back.
Touch and Go QR Pay support.